Hello YouTube, welcome to Sunday in the Shop. We got out this is 2005, 15 years old, and I bought them at the same time. I bought a new stereo years ago from my big shop. That shows what's left of the track, that shows how much is played of the track. That's the track number, there's 16 tracks. We're not going to play no sound. I'll put a little clip at the end that sounds like my wind chimes. Okay, let's pause. We'll show you the player here. Okay, I got a pointer. When I first got this, I would run it. If I didn't have the remote, I would use a pencil, the eraser. I didn't want to get any grease on these. This is open. This is the rewind or fast forward, but hit just once, it changes the track, like it'll skip a track ahead. That is stop. That should be pause, and it's play, then pause. Here's on and off. Had a little trouble with the door opening. That stays red all the time. I had a piece of tape over there to irritate me. I actually put a piece. Yep, I think we got it right. On and off. This was top of the line back then. I'll let you see this. This was probably like a $50 DVD player. Sorry I can't play it. I'm going to listen to a haunted house CD. But I will include the end if you can hear it. Sounds just like my wind chimes. Pretty spooky. I used to play haunted house CDs while I was working in my shop. People thought I was crazy. He's just working out in his garage with it playing all day. I've done it in this shop with that little radio up there. But we'll pause. We'll show you the progress of cleaning up here so far. Okay, we wasn't going to record this second time we had the lid off. This had trouble with the CD coming out, okay? So what I did is, underneath, very carefully, I'm going to show you a slot, okay? But it shows which way to slide it, like with a little thing. You see that little slot into there? I'll show you the instructions. Be very careful, because I tipped it up too far, and the CD fell out. Got wedged in there. So the door come open, I couldn't get the CD out, so I had to take the cover off. So, you get to look at all this wonderful, beautiful electronic stuff. Let's stop this thing, okay? Even though you stop it, it stays spinning. So let's hit stop, that's play or pause. And I can look up on the screen of the TV. That's why I used to have this. I had this hooked up to my stereo in a way where I could watch the screen to see how much CD, all the CD stuff. You see that in the other clip, how many minutes left, what track. And also on the stereo, I used to have a nice Insignia stereo amp. Now let's open the door. Even computers have a thing where you might stick a paper clip in the hole. I think it's just gummy. This thing's probably laid around for who knows how many years, stuck down the entertainment center in the house. Sunday in the shop, we can do what we want. Okay, now let's hit play. Well, it'll hit play. See, it's loading. Don't mess with these things when they're loading. That's what'll jam them up too. See? That's just flickering because of the screen. That TV is what, a 13-inch? It's kind of bowed to think. I had to force it underneath there. I plan to get the security camera hook into that. I'm supposed to be able to get one. Because I only have one audio, yellow's video. I'm supposed to be able to get a camera that'll fit that. That's what I researched. Okay, it is playing. I can't turn it up. You're not supposed to do that. But at the end, I might include a clip that sounds like my wind chimes. I may or may not. I probably won't. I'll probably eliminate it. I said I was going to. Because I just don't want to push it. There you go. And there was a little dust. You can see where I wiped it off there. Back in here. Thought I had a cable. I've got a box of stuff I bought years ago. Not electronics whiz, but said computers it happens. Okay, let's stop and regroup and figure out what else we're going to do. Oh, we want to show you our progress in cleaning our shelves so you can see when it's halfway dirty mess. Okay, we're clean, organizing shelves. Here's our progress so far. We've got an outlet strip there. We'll put a bunch of supplies there. There's a TV. This is kind of knickknacks. There's my sign. My scanner. That's really old, if I'm sure I'm right. See, I bought one at a second-hand store, and it was really, really old, so I don't know if that's newer, but I could have passed it. But that is old. That's probably almost 20 years old, but I found one time, and maybe I didn't buy it, but I know that one's got to be at least that old. And then look at all the garbage down here. Look at the junk that I've got pulled out. Then I get interrupted working on this thing. So, there's a minute of that stuff. We'll pause and regroup. Okay, we're not going to show the whole thing. We made a clip and don't know where it is. We've enclosed this out around my desk where it's 5 by 7. So it's 5 across, and this is 7. We're not going to show the whole thing how it's made because it's not up the building code, blah, blah, blah. We'll stop as we get here. All that's over here is plastic that's got a hole in the opening, and then there's a blanket comes down over that. So you got to go between a blanket, go between opening the plastic. So that is plastic with a blanket on this side. Of course, you see the heater over there. We may get one of those heaters that's got the element where you can see it because they put radiant heat off it. But that outlet strip over is only 14 gauge. It's better than a drop cord, but I run my drill press on it. That yellow outlet back behind there. Sorry about the fan, but I've got to have the fan on. Okay, we're going to stop. We'll add some more little things here and there as we're working on this project. We're working up for the next video for the next Sunday coming up. My radio, it's all cleaned up. That thing was really scummy, and now it's in here because I can use that, but it runs the battery down too much. Like I said, it's Sunday in the shop. I can ramble on, but we don't want the video to be real long. Well, we're going to call this video good. I mean, I'll show some more of this stuff like in different videos, but I mean, I got to repaint that fan or get a different fan. I'm tired of it. I'm just bored of it. But I have a fan to tear apart. I might make a video on it. It was given to me. It starts real slow. If you spin it by hand, it'll take off and go. So I don't know if it's burned up or if it don't seem like a bearing. It spins too easy. But thanks for watching. We'll take some close-up. Like my screwdriver. That's just the same angle stuff Shell's made on them. I've got a couple more pieces around if I can find it. It's already got holes in it. So thanks for watching this week. Look for the pictures at the end. I always say that. You might see something I missed talking about. Calm down. There's no need to panic and hit the panic button.